Welcome. In front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change illumination quality in this game. To do this, you have to enter options, and you can enter options either by pressing escape and selecting options, or just by starting the game and going to options from here, then go to graphics, and then to change the global illumination quality, scroll down to this setting, and to change it just click this icon and change the value in this field. And that's how you change your illumination quality. To apply settings, right click or press escape just to exit this menu. Once you exit this menu, the changes will be applied automatically, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.